It's summer in Scotland. Here are 5 Gaelic songs for your summertime playlist. Close Your Eyes by Valtos featuring Abrach and Isla Scott. Gun Ghaol by Gun Ghaol. Ha Shaw by Abrach. Cúm Ur Nara by Isla Scott. And if it's not still in your playlists, Nach Buyukut by Limonead. Look up Scottish Gaelic bangers on Spotify. All the songs from this series are there.